Rosogollar Payesh or Bengali Rasgulla Kheer is an endearing sweet dish from Bengal. Flavored milk with soft rasgulla. This dessert recipe will soothe your taste bud and mind also. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification first when I upload a new video. To make Rosogollar Payesh, you will need Rosogolla or Rasgulla, milk, sugar, bay leaf, cardamoms, chopped cashew nuts, chopped raisins, chopped pistachio, and rose water. Into a pan, add 2 cups of milk, that is around 450 ml milk. Now add 1 bay leaf and 2 cardamoms. Stir the milk frequently to avoid the burning of pan bottom. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix them until all the sugar dissolves into the milk. You can see the milk is boiling now and it's reduced to half. At this time, add the rasgullas. This is a normal store-bought sponge rasgulla. When you buy the Rosogolla, make sure they are made with pure chana, that is Indian cottage cheese. When you add the Rosogolla into the milk, just little squeeze out extra sugary syrup from the Rosogolla. It helps the Rosogolla to soak the milk. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add our dry fruits. Add chopped cashew nut, chopped raisins, chopped pistachio, and half teaspoon rose water. It gives nice aroma to this recipe. Mix it so gently, otherwise Rosogollas will break. Switch off the flame and cool it down. You can see the milk is nicely thick. Now Rosogollar Payesh is ready. Set them into refrigerator for 1.5 hours, or you can serve them as it is. Top some dry fruits and saffron strings. That's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.